Today I want to show you how to make a fire in your fireplace, and to do that you really only need two ingredients. One of those is airflow and the other is fuel. And by fuel I mean seasoned firewood and some newspaper, and for airflow we need the air flowing up and out the chimney, and we also need air between our layers of fuel. So let me show you how. What I always do first is open up the chimney damper or flue. This plate, when it's closed, traps the cold air in the chimney so it doesn't come down into your room. But once it's open, that cold air basically acts as a plug and doesn't let any air go up. But instead, that cold air starts to release down the chimney, which, as you can see here, is it extinguishes my match. So to help get that air flowing up the chimney, I start simply by opening a window nearby. Now that we've got the airflow going, we want to start building the layers of fuel for our fire. And the first layer starts at the bottom, and that is using newspaper. And I simply wad up pieces of newspaper into balls like this, and we'll place it underneath the grate. Next, we will add our kindling or small pieces of wood, and we're going to keep these separated so that once again we have that airflow in between. And finally we add our big logs, again with some space in between. At this point you can take a piece of newspaper and just sort of roll it up and twist it, and I light one end, and this is called priming the flue, and you can put this up in your chimney near that opening, and this will help with the airflow going up, and also to help make sure the air is still not coming down into your chimney. And now we light our fire. Look at that puppy go. And thankfully all that smoke is going right up the chimney. Beautiful.